remember sometimes in the afternoon we would go over our letter sounds, and we would also just kind of, I would show you letters, and it would help you, you know, recognize them and call them out. Well, today I'm going to do lowercase, and we're going to do the sound. So I'm going to hold up a letter, and then we're going to say the sound. So you ready? Let's do this together. Here we go. Ready? D, 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 D. U, 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 Z, 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 Z. I, I, I. T, 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 T. C, 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 K, 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 K. Ready? O, 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 ah, 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 ah. Y, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. K, 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 K. M, 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 S, 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 S. V, 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 V. N, 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 N. G, 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 G. H, 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 H. J, 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 J. F, 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 F. R, 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 R. A, A. W, 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 W. P, 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 P. E, 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 E. B, 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 B. Q, 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 Qu, 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 Qu. And last one, L, 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 O. Great, good job, thank you.